Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening CX File Explorer VR and immediately locating the folder where data is corrupted. Once you find the target directory, make a quick backup to a safe location. This prevents accidental loss. You should enable hidden files and previews so you can see problematic items. If the files are on SD or a network share, make sure the connection is stable and permissions allow write access. Now proceed to inspect file sizes and timestamps to identify anomalies before editing. You now inspect files more deeply. Preview them inside CX to confirm corruption or wrong format. Once confirmed, export or copy the file to local storage so you edit safely outside the VR environment. Then open the copy with the built-in editor or a compatible external app. Make targeted fixes like correcting headers, encoding, or missing fields. While editing, save iterative versions. If you changed file types, update extensions and metadata so CX recognizes the fixed version afterward. You finish by validating the repaired file. Test it in the original application or context to confirm behavior is normal. Once validated, use CX File Explorer VR to replace the original with the repaired copy. Make sure overwrite confirmations are enabled. After replacement, clear cache and refresh the folder view so indexes update. If something still fails, check file permissions and storage health, reinstall CX if necessary, or restore the backup you made earlier. That one key troubleshooting tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.